password sharing on Disney Plus to vanish by fall this year. The prominent giant in the realm of streaming is about to initiate a full-fledged crackdown on password sharing in fall this year. This was announced by the Disney CEO Bob Iger while providing the exact timeline on when the company plans to deprive the users of the service's password sharing facility. Bob Iger was reported as saying in an interview, "In June, we'll be launching our first real foray into password sharing in select countries before inflicting a global rollout in September." Although he didn't reflect on whether the US is in the list of countries going to be the first target of the clampdown, the company has set forth the foundations to restrict password sharing by testing account restrictions in Canada and launching Hulu on Disney Plus, offering entire content catalog of Hulu for the bundled subscribers of Disney Plus in the US. Unavailability of the password sharing feature is expected to fray users' nerves, especially after Netflix has also announced its plans to bring password sharing to an end. Coming at par with the trend, Max, also known as HBO Max, is also set to do away with this facility later this year. As far as Disney's case is concerned, Iger said the company has taken the decision to become profitable by this year's fiscal fourth quarter. He added that even after having around 150 million subscribers since its inception, the company has lost more money than estimated. He remarked, "I came back as CEO and the losses were about $4 billion a year. It was clear that that was not sustainable and unacceptable. To make the company a growth business and go in revenue surplus, he said he's up to exploring unique ways to bolster engagement and user stickiness in a bid to retain subscribers."